Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to check Viber version on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to check the Viber version on our phone, we'll be required to open the settings of our phone and not the Viber app itself. After we have opened your settings, guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us over here just below the battery. Tap on apps and tap on the app management button at the top of the screen, and you'll land over here. Let this load and search for Viber by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen and tap on Viber. And this way, guys, you will open the app info page of the Viber, where you can see, guys, at the top of the screen currently there's the Viber logo and the current version is 23.1.6.0. if it's in your case, you're watching the video on future, maybe it's different on your case. And with that being said, guys, if you think your Viber requires an update, open your Play Store on your phone and search for Viber on the Play Store by tapping at the top of the screen. Search for it, and you can see, guys, the Viber is available over here. Here is the open button available for me, guys, but if in your case there was an update, then you'll be required to update your Viber. And with that being said, guys, let's close this. And with that, and over here you can see your version. And guys, this is how to check your Viber version on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.